Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. In previous lecture, we discussed about the sample space and event, how to find out the event from the sample space. And in today's lecture, we will discuss about the probability of an event. So let's start the lecture with the probability of an event. The probability of an event. The probability of an event. To count the basically probability of an event, we must count the numbers of elements in event A, either number of element in A and the number of element in A sample space S. So basically, it's very important to count the probability of an event. So when to count the probability of an event, it's very necessary that we must count the number of elements in sample space for example number of element in sample space S. Okay, so this is the basic rule when to count the probability of an event. So where the probability of an event is event A, where is the probability of an event A is denoted by probability of A is denoted by probability of A. And A is defined as probability of A is equal to number of element in A divided by number of element in S. So here it's very important to count the probability of an event. So must count the numbers of elements in the sample space where the probability of an event A, if we are talking about the probability of an event A. So event A, as we know, event is an outcome of an experiment. It's a subset of a sample space. So when we are counting the probability of an event, where the probability of an event A is denoted by probability of A, and A is defined as probability of A, which is equal to number of element in A divided by number of element in S. Why? Because these are the favorable cases, these are the possible cases. So when we are defining the probability of A, which is number of element in A divided by number of element in S, where where probability of A is equal to number of favorable cases. Cases are outcome. Number of favorable cases are outcome, whereas probability of S is divided is equal to number of possible cases. Are outcome. So when we are talking about the formula of probability of an event A, this is the general formula for probability of an event, like event A. So if we are talking about the event A, it means we are talking about the number of element in A divided by number of element in S. Why? Because where probability of A is number of favorable cases, these are the number of favorable cases. These are the number of element in A. Probability of S is number of favorable. Probability of S is equal to number of possible cases or outcome. So when we are talking about the formula, general formula for probability of A, it means we are finding the probability of A from this S, from the sample space. Why? Because sample space contains 100% observations of any object. So if we are imposing any kind of condition with the sample space, it means we are taking the event from the sample space. So it may be the event A, maybe the B, maybe the C, whatever the events are occurred. So we know as the event are the outcomes. So outcomes will be happened from the sample space. So when these outcomes will be happened, these are known as events. So for example, event A is number of element in A, number of element in S. So we are finding the elements from the S. So these are the favorable cases. Whatever the cases we want from the sample space. This is the sample space. The 100% observations contained by the sample space. So all the possible outcomes of the random experiment, these are contained by the sample space. So where probability of A is number of favorable cases are outcomes, probability of S is number of possible cases are outcomes. So if we are talking about the dice, a die contains 6 possible outcomes. Die contains 6 possible outcomes. So if we want the one number from the die, it means the favorable outcome is A1, 1, and total possible outcomes are 6 of the die. So if we want one from the die, it means this is the favorable case. This is the favorable case. So we can say number of element in A is 1. So number of element in A is 6. Why 6? Because die contains 6 numbers. Therefore the sample space will be 6. So these are the possible cases. These are the favorable cases. Why favorable cases 1? Because we want 1 from the die. So we find out the event from the sample space. Number of element in A is equal to 1. 1 divided by 6. These are the favorable cases. These are the possible cases. So hence, therefore, we can say that probability of A lies in between 0 and 1. So we can say that 0 is less than or equal to 1, which is probability of A, which is less than or equal to 1. We can say, therefore, we can say that probability of an event lies in between, 0 and 1. So 0 is less than or equal to probability of A, which is less than or equal to 1. So when we are talking about the favorable cases, favorable cases, number of element A divided by number of element A. Yes, it means number of favorable cases divided by number of possible cases. It means number of favorable cases divided by number of possible cases. Probability of A is equal to number of element in A divided by number of element S, which is equal to number of favorable cases divided by number of possible cases. Okay, so probability lies in between probability of A, probability of an event. We are talking about the A, it means we are talking about an event. So the probability of an event lies in between 0 and 1. 1 is 100%, 0 and in between 1. Okay, so it may be the probability of any object, probability of any object, any event will be 0, or will be 10%, will be 13%, will be 20%, will be 17%, will be 80%, or will be maybe 100% are perfect. Okay, so we learned about the event, the probability of an event. Probability of an event is equal to number of element in A divided by number of element in S, where A is the favorable outcome and S is the possible outcome. Therefore, probability lies in between, probability of an event lies in between 0 and 1, not less than 0, not greater than 1. It will not happen less than 0, it will not be happened greater than 1. So probability lies in between 0 and 1. Okay, so hope you can understand the topic regarding probability of an event. So what we obtained from this, how often A will occur. So how often A will occur? From 0 and 1, how often A will occur? Maybe A will occur 10%, 20%, 30%, 100%, 80%. How often A will occur? So we have to find out the probability of A, like probability of an event, from the sample space. So 1 is a sample space, 1 is the 100% observation of any object. So how often A will occur? So this is overall about the probability of an event. Hope you understand the topic. Thank you very much.